What's going on, guys? I want to go over my super simple strategy for trading the NQ futures. Again, you can trade any asset like this, but I personally trade the NQ futures. Now, many of you guys are familiar with the 5-minute 20 SMA pivot. Since around the end of December, the ranges on the NQ have been astronomical, sometimes 30, 40, 50 points. That's very hard to manage risk. So what I've been doing is kind of adjusting, as we should as traders, and I'm getting down and dirty with this 1-minute chart. And the reason why I'm trading the 1-minute chart is because the range is a little bit more easily manageable. Meaning, at one point in time today, we had an ATR of 11 points. I've seen it as high as 17. That's manageable for me. 11-point stop loss, 17-point stop loss, 15-point stop loss. I can deal with that. All you're looking at on my screen is the 20 SMA. This dotted purple line is my 15-minute orb, and then I've also got some levels that I trade intraday that we go over in Evolution Traders each and every single day. But what I want to show you guys is just simply the 20 SMA using the 1-minute time frame. So look at this setup here at 7:32 Pacific Standard Time. It's a 13-point range. Essentially, we're using a 13-point stop loss, and what we're looking to target is anywhere between 5 and 10 points. So based on the amount of size that you're playing, you can definitely target 5 points if you're trading a little bit heavier size, or 10 points if you're trading lighter size. With this being said, the entry price was over 391. It shoots up to 404. Okay, so this is over 10 points. That's a winner. Next trade here. And again, I know this is hindsight. I know it's a lot easier to go back and look at these, but I'm just going to show you each and every single one. And if there's a loser, I'll point it out. Okay, but what we're looking at here is from around after the market settles, so about an hour after the market has been open. I like to really start to deep dive into the chart. Next setup here is 33 points. So again, if 33 points is too much for you to stomach, then we can use the 20 SMA as a stop loss, and we can cut that down to about 15, 20 points. If it's just too big in general, just don't take the trade. Let's go over it for the sake of the video. Entry price 21,402, shoots up to 21,411. So you're getting around 9 points there, 5 to 10 points. Again, if you were looking for 10, you weren't going to get it. It was going to come back, and it was probably going to stop you out. Here's another one here, 25-point range. Again, we're going to cut that stop loss in half by using the 20 SMA. If we close over the 20 SMA, just get out of the trade. It's broken. Low is 21,365. We shoot down to 21,353. So again, another 10 points there, another 5 points there. Here's another setup, 7:50 Pacific Standard Time, 13-point range. Entry price is sitting at 21,378. It rides up to 21,389. Again, another 10 points there. So I'm just walking you guys through a handful of them. $100, $100, $100, $100, right? If you're taking 5 points in one mini. That's $1, 2, 3, 4, $500. Guys, here's another one here. Here's a short, does not confirm, so no entry. Here's a long, confirms. I don't need to do the math. You can clearly see you would have got 5 to 10 points. Here's another one here. You can clearly see you would have got 5 to 10 points. So with that being said, maybe you guys can look at the 1-minute chart. Maybe you guys can, shoot some scalps out. You're going to get a lot more setups. Again, if you notice that we're chopping, you notice that we're in a like a serious consolidation, kind of stay away, because you're not going to get the volatility you need to get you that quick 5 points. So just wanted to highlight this super simple strategy, guys. We're trading this each and every single day live in the call in Evolution Traders. I'm going over levels. And again, this is not the only strategy that I play. I play about 5 different strategies. This is the one that I like to highlight on YouTube because it's easy, it's simple, it's manageable, it's clear cut. If you guys are interested in getting the whole package, I have a course with all my strategies. I've got the Discord where you can double back and get in on the live calls. We've also added a scalpers club in the morning. Pre-market New York session, we have another trader who's screen sharing and going over scalps on a 1-minute time frame. You can definitely hop in the room and trade with them. I've got a free section of the Discord. I've got a lot of learning content on the Discord, over 30 videos, it's like 15 hours of educational content, and it's a great group. So if you guys are interested, definitely join the Discord. That link is down in the description box. Also, if you guys need Apex accounts, you guys can use code DAnthony. I'll see you guys all in the next video.